So many of us live life having this misconception of productivity, that all it is being in a constant state of work, and that more work equals more productivity. But there's so much more to productivity. Productivity can be defined by 5 words, which are mindset, prioritization, boundaries, planning, and reflection. These 5 words make up the core of what productivity is and how to be productive in your own life. Productivity is not about always working. It's about knowing yourself and what you find important and creating a structure and framework to fit that lifestyle. What I love so much about productivity is that it can literally be applied to anyone. It doesn't matter what profession you're in, how old you are, what your favorite food is. If you apply the concepts properly, you will see positive change in your life. Hi, I'm NiTom. I'm currently a student at UC Davis, studying managerial economics. Being a student trying to balance clubs, internships, work, while also staying on top of academics and attempting to maintain a decent social life, I feel like I am challenged every day to push the boundaries of how much I can be doing in a day while also being productive and efficient. And in these past few years, while short, I've learned so much on what it means to be productive and how to incorporate it into my own life. In today's class, I thought I'd share some of the most important things I've learned along the way and what it means to be quote-unquote productive. In the class, we'll be discussing a framework on how to optimize your daily routine. We'll go over a method of prioritization to find what you value most and what's most important for you. We'll also talk about building boundaries, tackling your biggest distraction, the importance of taking action, and lots more. If you're someone who seeks to do more within the span of the day, or someone who wants more structure and a framework in their day-to-day life, I think this class is for you. I'm excited to get started. Let's jump in.